If your Framer site is showing an SSL error, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the problem, get your site loading securely, and make sure your custom domain is working the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick Framer fixes and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Framer and refresh the page using Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or Command+Shift+R on Mac. This is a hard refresh and it clears out cached files that may be causing the error to keep showing up. Sometimes the SSL issue is not actually a major problem with your domain, but just a browser cache issue, so this step is always worth trying first. After you refresh, check whether your domain is properly connected and published. Go into your Framer project and make sure the custom domain is added correctly. If the domain is not fully connected or if the site has not been published after the domain setup, the SSL certificate may not activate properly. This is one of the most common reasons people see an SSL warning on a Framer site. Next, make sure your domain is using HTTPS instead of HTTP. Your site should always load with the secure version of the address. If you are typing the URL manually or testing the domain, double check that it starts with HTTPS. If it is still using HTTP, browsers may flag it as unsafe, and Framer may not be serving the secure certificate yet. Another important step is to wait a few minutes after publishing. SSL certificates do not always activate instantly. In many cases, Framer and your domain provider need a little time to finish provisioning the certificate and applying the security settings. So, if you just connected the domain or republished the site, give it a few minutes and then test it again. A short delay can often solve the problem without any extra changes. If the error is still there after that, go back and confirm that the domain settings are correct on both sides. That means checking Framer, checking your domain registrar, and making sure the name servers or DNS records are pointing where they should be. Even one small typo in a record can stop SSL from activating properly. So take a slow, careful look at the setup before assuming something is broken. Once the domain is connected, published, and using HTTPS, refresh the site again and test it in a new browser tab. If everything is correct, the SSL error should clear up and your Framer site should load normally with a secure lock icon in the browser. That is the goal here, and these simple checks solve the issue for most users. So to recap, hard refresh Framer, confirm the domain is connected and published, make sure the site uses HTTPS, and allow a few minutes for SSL to activate. Those are the main steps to fix the Framer SSL error safely and quickly. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.